I am Eugene Lyon, a historian who dedicated my life to uncovering the hidden chapters of maritime history, especially the fate of Spanish treasure fleets lost to the sea. Born in the United States in 1936, I wasn't drawn to shipwrecks by adventure stories or pirate tales, but by a deep love of research and the thrill of discovery through the written word. My journey began in libraries and archives, far from the ocean floor. I earned my PhD in Latin American history from the University of Florida, and it was in the dusty, centuries-old Spanish documents that I found clues. No one else had pieced together clues that would change the course of underwater archaeology forever. In the 1960s and 70s, while researching the Spanish colonial period, I came across meticulous records detailing the 1715 treasure fleet, a convoy of ships that sank off the coast of Florida during a hurricane, carrying immense wealth in gold and silver from the New World. These documents led me to the names of the ships, the route they traveled, and, most importantly, where they were lost. I wasn't a diver, and I never wielded a metal detector, but I armed treasure hunters like Mel Fisher with something far more valuable: knowledge. My research helped locate the Nuestra Señora de Atocha, one of the richest shipwrecks ever discovered. The Atocha had lain hidden in the waters off Key West since 1622, and it was my documentation that pointed to her final resting place. My careful translations of Spanish archives helped bridge the gap between academic history and underwater exploration. I believed history belonged not just in museums or universities, but in the hands of those passionate enough to search for it, whether in books or beneath the waves. Throughout my career, I remained a voice for responsible exploration, insisting that the treasures recovered be treated as historical artifacts, not just commodities. I worked to ensure that the stories of the sailors, colonists, and indigenous peoples connected to these wrecks were never forgotten in the glint of gold. I published works like The Enterprise of Florida and Richer Than the Incas, both grounded in deep archival research. But I always saw myself as a servant of the past, someone who could give long-lost voices the chance to speak again through careful study. I am Eugene Lyon, the historian who illuminated the ocean's secrets with ink and parchment, proving that the true treasure lies in understanding our past, not just recovering what it left behind.